after work is I never have clothes on me. So I'm about to rip out some fish with my all-white Travis Matthews $70 polo and some $100 shoes and some black pants. It's going to be pretty hot. See you in a little bit. So one bad thing about living in the city is you have to work with city ponds. And when you work with city ponds, you have shit like this. They just sprayed some weed killer, so it killed everything. So I'm maybe rethinking my strategy here. Maybe do some Senkos first just to see what we can get, and then we might move to a top water. Zoom out of there. Whoa, it's too much Jeff. If we're right up against these over here, I'm not sure if you can see that, but right up against that. Cattails over there. See what we can get. So that was a complete cluster. I realized a couple things. That if I'm going to shoot video and fish, I need a tripod. Got that covered. I need to find a lake that I can actually catch fish in. That would be probably a big plus. And I need not to wear this outfit. I'm sweating my butt off. Anyway, gave it a try. Got my new camera in. Pretty happy with that. Quality is fantastic. Canon didn't let me down. Being a rookie, I'm going to have some learning curve, but I think we're good to go. Thanks for watching.